Say hello to the BravaJet mopping robot from iRobot. And say goodbye to everyday messes. Just press clean. BravaJet automatically knows what to do. The precision jet spray loosens dirt, while the vibrating cleaning head gently scrubs stains. BravaJet uses iRobot's advanced navigation software and a full suite of sensors to map and track where it's been, helping it mop in an efficient, systematic cleaning pattern. It keeps going until the whole room is clean. BravaJet is great for kitchens and bathrooms. It's small enough to work its way into tight spots. It carefully cleans around obstacles, so it won't harm furniture, rugs, or walls. When it's done, simply eject the pad. Your hands never touch the dirt. BravaJet features 3 cleaning modes. It recognizes the type of cleaning pad and automatically adjusts the way it cleans. Attach a wet mopping pad, and BravaJet uses a triple pass cleaning motion, precision jet spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to tackle dirt and stains. Attach a damp sweeping pad, and BravaJet uses a double pass cleaning motion, reduced spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to gently clean everyday dust and dirt. With a dry sweeping pad, BravaJet traps and locks dust, dirt, and pet hair using a single pass cleaning motion. BravaJet is great for hard floors like hardwood, tile, and stone, so you can enjoy cleaner floors and a fresher home every day. You, BravaJet, and iRobot. Better together.
The Story electric bike, your best companion for your on-the-go lifestyle that gets you where you need to go while being eco-friendly, ultra-chic, and affordable. Flatten your hills and shorten your commutes with a fun, fast, and powerful bike. Improve your daily rides while having a profound impact on those in need globally. Travel up to 45 miles on a charge and hitting speeds up to 20 miles per hour. Featuring an LCD screen with 6 levels of pedal assist to choose from, you can ride it like a regular bike or crank up the assist all the way up to feel superhuman while you pedal. Story's unique hidden battery, classic lightweight, and durable design gives it a stylish look while others won't even know you're on an electric bike. The leather grips and saddle gives the design an artistic accent, complementing the modern and minimal aesthetic at the same time. Ride to the beach, work, market, and back home, all without breaking a sweat or the environment. With the help of World Bicycle Relief, specially designed and locally assembled, Buffalo bikes will be donated to entrepreneurs, farmers, healthcare workers, and students, mobilizing people through the power of bicycles. Buffalo Bicycles provides greater carrying capacities, enabling farmers and entrepreneurs to transport more goods in less time. Increased productivity leads to improved livelihood and more prosperous communities.
70% of Americans have trouble falling asleep at least one night a week. It's never been harder to turn off our minds, completely unplug, and reach a deep relaxation and restfulness that we actually need. Introducing Gravity. A weighted blanket engineered to be 10% of your body weight to naturally reduce stress and increase relaxation through deep pressure stimulation. Over the last year, we've studied the incredible science and medical research about the positive effects that weighted blankets can have on serious conditions like PTSD, insomnia, OCD, and serious forms of anxiety. This is critical because 40 million people in the country suffer from prolonged anxiety. That is 18% of the country. And so we wanted to take this science and design a product that could help everyone. Each Gravity blanket is tailored to represent about 10% of your body weight. It evenly distributes pressure across your body while you rest. By stimulating these pressure points, Gravity blanket increases serotonin and melatonin levels while decreasing cortisol levels. Some studies even reported that 90% of participants felt an overall calmer feeling and a reduced sense of anxiety. And it isn't just for sleep. The blanket can be used in bed, or it can be used on the couch after a super long day, or it can assist you in reaching a deeper meditation or mindfulness. We've developed a range of weighted options spanning from 15, 20, and 25 pounds to fit your individual needs and preferences. From beautiful design to material sourcing, we set out to create a blanket that looks and feels as great as it performs. The inner shell is 100% cotton, while the outer shell is a beautiful and ultra comfortable micro plush fabric. The soft outer shell provides amazing comfort for warmth during the colder months, and it's easily removable to remain cool during the summer. This also makes it super easy to wash. Our trusted manufacturing partners are ready to go. All we need is your support to make this product a reality.
CNN, ABC News, CBC, Inside Edition, and more have all reported on the scary amount of bacteria and germs in hotel rooms. The CleanseBot is a pocket-sized smart robot designed to sanitize and disinfect any surface, including your bed and blankets, using UVC light. CleanseBot is the first all-in-one cleaning robot that you can take on all of your adventures. With built-in artificial intelligence, 18 sensors, and 3 different modes, the CleanseBot might just be the smartest thing you pack. In under blanket mode, you just put your CleanseBot on the bed, touch one button, and let it sanitize and disinfect your bed for either 30 or 60 minutes at a time, no matter what type of mattress or blanket you have. Using patent-pending wheel technology, the robot will be able to climb over any lumps and bumps in the sheets and never fall off the bed. In handheld mode, just pick up your CleanseBot and the sensors will detect your hand, and use the bottom UVC lights to disinfect light switches, kitchen and bathroom surfaces, cell phones, keyboards, and even children and pet toys. The CleanseBot can run and disinfect for 3 hours on a single charge. When you're traveling, you always pack your portable charger. Instead of having to pack another device, the CleanseBot has a power bank mode with a 3700 mAh battery and a USB-C port with flash charging for faster charging times. Experts at the National Institute of Health, Columbia University, and Time, as well as many others, have shown how UVC light kills 99.99% of bacteria, germs, and mold, and can even fight the spread of airborne viruses. Worry-free traveling can be yours. Grab the super smart CleanseBot and guard against germs no matter where you are. Place your pre-order during this Kickstarter campaign to get your CleanseBot for over 60% off retail price, only $99. This is a Kickstarter-only deal and will not be available after the campaign has ended. Don't miss out.
We fill our time trying to remember everything. Our attention is split in a dozen directions. One key forgotten, one message missed, one card stolen. It all comes to a crashing halt. We lose focus on how to organize the simple things in life. But now, with Loomzag, the world's smartest and most innovative backpack, we can finally feel at ease and focus on doing what we love. Hi, I'm David, and I'm always on the hunt for innovative ways to stay organized and be on the road to success. And that's why I always choose the best. LoomZag is designed to make your life easier, smarter, and more secure. So let's take a closer look. Every day in our backpacks, we carry our most important belongings. And if you happen to leave something behind, the LoomZag app will notify you immediately. We all know how stressful it can be to misplace your backpack. Now, you will never lose it. LoomZag's real-time GPS tracker always gives you peace of mind, showing you the exact location of your backpack, regardless of how far away it is, even if you leave your backpack behind or if it's stolen. In today's urban jungle, you always need an extra pair of eyes watching your back. LoomZag's rear view camera helps you to see what's going on around you in real time. Also, your smart backpack will always keep you connected even while traveling. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot will allow you to access the internet without roaming charges in any part of the globe. The LoomZag team is convinced that being secure is one of the main components of being at ease, which is LoomZag's main mission. When LoomZag is in security mode, it will keep any potential thieves away from your stuff. Many of us are constantly worrying about losing our backpacks or getting pickpocketed. The anti-theft feature is designed to prevent stress and give you peace of mind. If your backpack is open, or the distance between you and your backpack is too far, then you are notified with a message. Never worry about the safety of your belongings, even if you're in a public place. All of these functions are supported by LoomZag's TSA-approved, lightweight, removable smart box, ensuring a full day's charge for all of your devices. LoomZag allows you to charge your smartphone, tablet, and laptop simultaneously. The wireless charging pocket allows you to charge your phone on the go without slowing you down. LoomZag is where perfection and innovation meet. Get rid of stress with the most innovative backpack. LoomZag makes your life easier, smarter, and more secure, and it solves almost all of your everyday problems. Okay, all of your problems.
Where are you going? There's a better way to get there. The Unagi scooter, a scooter with soul. Life's too short to let transportation hassles keep you from connecting with the people and places you love. That's why my partners and I fell in love with electric scooters. The thing is, scooter sharing services are a real drag. Unagi is superior because of advanced materials, state-of-the-art technology, precision engineering, and untouchable industrial design. Every single decision has been made with the rider in mind. From the multiple LEDs to keep you safe at night, to the invisible kickstand, to our patented one-click hinge. Thanks to the magnesium alloy handlebar and Toray carbon fiber tube, the Unagi is ultra lightweight. It's perfectly minimalist in its aesthetic, but built for maximum strength and durability. The deck machined from a single block of aluminum. No seams, traction tape, or gritty finishes. And thanks to its painstakingly flawless paint job, it's ultra smooth. Simply beautiful. Wheels that are not only puncture-proof, but provide suspension thanks to air pockets ingeniously embedded throughout the tire circumference. The result is a perfect balance of comfort and responsiveness. Custom-designed motors deliver effortless power. Choose from a single 250-watt motor for flatter urban areas, or our epic 450-watt dual motor model with additional torque for hillier terrain. We wanted to own the perfect scooter, a scooter that empowers us to dive into our local culture with total ease and killer style. We made Unagi because it's the scooter that we wanted. Now, you can have it too. Unagi, take the ride of your life.